Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use effects on Instagram Reels. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, launch your Instagram app and tap on this plus icon and select Reel. And here you'll find this effect option, so tap on that. And after that, here you will get many types of effects. You can use any of them by tapping on the effect which you want to use. It may take some time to add the effects to your real camera. So as you can see, the effect has been added. I'm going to select another one, and here you'll get some categories. You can select trending to get trending effects here. Now you'll be able to use or select any effect from this trending category. You can select Reels category, you can select appearance, and to find or search for a particular effect, here you want to tap on the search icon and enter here the effect name that you want to add or search, and tap on search, and you will get effects here. Now you can select any effect to use on your reel. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.